this new game I just found. It's called Animal Company. I've seen it a lot on YouTube. We're gonna try it. It's like a PvP game, but I've tried it before, but oh, what the? It didn't work.
Alright,
We're glitching the server so bad. My VR was glitching so bad.
It is glitching so much.
My VR was
This
glitching
is crazy glitching.
so.
I don't think it's the game. I'm not trying to be rude about the game. I think it's.
God, the server. Do you want the free lag gun?
what's the private code? Join the code GH.
Who wants a free lag gun?
RT. GHRT.
Free lag gun alert.
Who's lagging
Can
the
somebody
server?
come with me at the forest?
Yeah,
Can
this
somebody
is
come
not-
with me at the forest, please?
We're getting a new server. Okay. I'm still recording. My game was glitching. Alexa, turn off. Dude, I just showed your face. That's what you get for throwing a magnet at my face, you idiot! Alexa, turn off! Your face is all over YouTube. Now they're gonna put you up on Google and they're gonna rob your house. They're gonna take all your money and spend it on V-Bucks. Because V-Bucks is better. Okay? Does anybody care? They just put an age restriction on Roblox. No one cares anymore.
Can I tell you that you
So
can
they're
come out
putting
the wall?
9-year-olds inside of 21-year-olds
Hey.
lobbies.
Great. What's up, man?
Like
Where is-
they're making it age restrictions, so then you can only play with your group. But they're putting in the wrong group, so 9-year-olds are going to 21-year-olds.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like, and
Giveaway
it's very
stage 5.
way less safe. So people are
Massive
trying to
giveaway.
remove it now.
Hello. Not hello.
It's just a thing, I guess. Bro, that guy has a rocket launcher.
Yeah.
And I just stole a grappler from somebody, so. I guess.
There.
Where can I go? Can I go here? Can I go to new lobbies? I'm in a VR in VR.
Now put out your. Oh, what else do you
Animal
have?
Company.
Now put out your back. Wherever you look, you're gonna
You're
fly.
putting your voice on. You're putting your face and your voice on YouTube right now, bro. But even though like two people can see, everyone
Look,
knows.
I
Got a
can't.
hang of this.
My most popular video has 12 views. And it's had 12 views for a week. It's on your side. Oh.
Now do it.
No, I'm not, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to play this game. It's a PvP game, and I had a pistol, but it ran out of ammo, and now I can't. And I stole a grappler gun, and I
What else do you have? I have rocket launcher with
Look at me, I got you the
ammo.
rocket.
Bro,
You could use
this guy's threatening people with rocket launchers.
And I have a in my backpack that lets you walk on walls. Oh, can I use it?
Anyway, guys, sorry about that nerd. Just kidding.
You speak Arabic?
I don't even have glasses. I never use them. Yeah, because they're reading glasses. And I can still read without them. Just
Don't
the
touch
stupid
me.
eye doctor.
Banana!
Us
on
to
the
get
square.
glasses.
Don't touch my
I'm
on
over
the square.
here!
So I'm going in a
Banana,
sewage.
don't do it.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm falling like a felt
Bro, I'm gonna kill that kid.
My voice is glitching. Who's that?
I am dead alive, bro.
Okay.
Just watch. Let you walk on the wall.
I'm going with this guy. He has a flashlight. Is that Coca-Cola? Oh. That's Coke. No, I hope not. They just said cocaine on a YouTube video, so now I'm gonna get removed, probably. Ow!
Bro got left. Hey, bro, back. Where'd my thing just go, dude?
Bro, I'm getting out of here.
Where are
There's
you?
blood on the ground.
I don't know.
How do I get out of
I
here?
found her.
It's dark. What is that? For some reason, I feel like I should go towards it. Ow! It hurt me. What a surprise. Oh!
Coffee
Ew.
bananas.
Scary
Guys,
demon
please
things
be
keep
fun.
spawning in. Like ghosts. I'm in a
Don't
horror
worry,
cave.
Everyone, we must
This
leave.
is how you learn. Yeah. Ah! Why do these big demon things keep smacking me? They're not even that scary. They're scary. Why is this guy a demon now? His face. Now I'm getting eaten by a spider. I just got eaten alive by a spider. Now what do? Chase him?
There's a flying dragon there. Let's catch it.
How do I get out of here? I don't like it. I do not like this. Get me out of here. Yeah, I'm following this guy. Get me out! Okay, finally. Okay, that's scary. What is that? Do not watch this at night. Oh, I just got gooed. Does not sound like what you think it does.
Hey, what you really did to me? What you really did to me?
Now it's glitchy.
What he put a Vecna arrow on me. I'm
Did he
really
just
getting
say
hurt by
jingly
Vecna. I'm really getting. Oh shoot! I'm so sorry. My person that made Vecna arrows that makes you pull back. And
These guys have
turn like this, and then I'll grab it.
I'm gonna kill this AFK because I've never killed him.
I grabbed the arrow.
This guy has a loaded rocket launcher, and
Oh,
I have
why?
the balls to
There's
hit him with a stick.
There's another arrow in your area. Turn back around. Turn back around. Oh, now it's all of you. I'm so sorry.
Bro just shot a rocket launcher at me, bro.
He almost
And it
died.
didn't
He tried
even
to
kill
stab
me
on you.
because he missed like a gorilla. Oh wait, I forgot. We're all gorillas. No, we're monkeys. What if Animal Company fought Gorilla
I stabbed
Tag?
him on the
versus
butt. I
monkeys?
stabbed you. That's
you
what
think
you
we're
said. Okay, are you okay?
Yeah, but
turn around. I'll pull
we
the
have
arrow.
weapons.
I'll pull
and
the
Gorilla
arrow.
Tag
Turn
doesn't
around.
have
Turn around.
weapons.
Oh no!
They just have to fist fight us.
No!
They can throw snowballs.
The arrow got you.
And we can shoot them with pistols and rocket launchers. And smack them with sticks. But I'll probably be on Animal Company just because it's a little more overpowered than gorillas.
Okay, I'm ready. Turn around.
Sticks
It's not.
make you go
It's
faster.
actually not letting you go. It's grabbing me. I pulled it out. I pulled the Vecna arrow. It's called the Vecna arrow.
Leave a review. No.
Oh,
Actually, I'll leave a review. Why is there blood on the ground?
That would make me
Thought
fly.
this was PvP, not horror.
Dang, son. Those traps. Oh. Oh. Wait, you look like me. Wait, you look like me. You can't look like me.
Remind me,
What?
Come down, come down. Come down.
No, I didn't.
Reach you when you're down. I don't know why, but I'm so sorry that
No,
he
it's
keeps
Bird.
hitting
I just
me with
copied
my
the.
arrow. I'm
I just
sorry.
copied the game
I have one of
title.
those. I'll praise the guy that gave you the Vecna arrow. I found that Vecna arrow. Hey, do you want French other? Do you want French other?
Bird is spelled B-R-I-D, isn't it?
Hey, help
Bird
me!
is spelled B-I.
Hey, look
I'm
up
trying to
here.
friend you.
Yeah.
This is
Oh.
good. Oh!
Who's gonna tell the difference?
This
A bunch
is a
of
bad
5-year-olds
arrow.
playing Minecraft? Not them. Why am I?
Hey, dude, they got pranked.
I'm recycling myself. Ah! 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 I just recycled myself. Please help. What the heck? Bro, I'm stuck. I'm flying in a recycling bin. There's recycled rocket launchers.
Guys, can you come over to camp?
There's signs of life.
It's like a person, but it's actually a monster.
I'm a giant
Can you
flying thing. There's 0 gravity, and I'm trying to go in the thing that's touching me back to the real world. Get me down there!
Guys, come
I'm gonna turd on this thing.
to the mountain. Come to the mountain, guys.
You,
Everybody in the lobby,
I need to figure out how to edit.
if you want to. I eat some people.
Wait, what? I can't read this.
Something attacking the
Your
animal.
teammates. Oh, how are these people flying? Oh, okay. Sam, it does not look like the intended way. No, like in real life. I mean, real life. No, look at me. It does not look like what you think it does.
What? I'm stuck.
It's like
I know the car got. No, no. Wait, you want to fix the arrow?
Help! Please!
Oh, you actually had to run.
Is there any way to get out of this? Can you tell me in the comments? I don't know what to do. 12 people that watched my last video.
You bro with me?
Oh, I can flip people off in this game. Why isn't that just fun?
No. Explode jump, double jump.
Okay, figure out how to go down.
Yeah, I have this. Is that funny?
Getting out of here. Like if you think you'll get me, I'll get out of here, and subscribe if you think I won't. Because I'm not getting out of here. Ah! I just got flashbanged. Ah! Ah! Yes! It hurts. I got flashbang from logging back into
She
the
was a
normal
fairy.
world. Ow! Damn it.
What happened?
You're being mean to me.
Oh,
Yeah, you're being mean to me.
Yo, how dare you?
nobody's gonna have stole my. Yo, bro. Hey, yo, help!
Fortnite wiener pass.
Never. That's why you learn from getting a Vecna arrow.
They are.
Vecna
Because we
arrows, they virtually are everywhere. They're virtually everywhere, so. There's virtually arrows. Hey, remember
Yeah, but
this?
they're gonna-
Hey, remember this?
Yeah, but I never said my
And I
videos
stole
were
this
family friendly.
from you.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
guess
can I see
what?
that?
You're also
They're
getting
not
shot by a
family
Vecna
friendly in
arrow.
swear words,
I missed.
not in potty words.
Yeah, bro,
not
that's how
Nick.
bad your aim is. Every shot I
Buddy,
shoot,
how bad
I
your
make
aim is.
it
My name
out.
is Nick.
Let's go change my color. Let's go. Let's go change my color.
Yeah. I'm the new Nick K30 of Gorilla Tag. And Ammo Company.
Hey, bro,
and
take
I'm
that.
security. And I'm
Take
Bird.
that. Bro, take this bomb.
Oh, did I just reveal my next videos?
Yeah. I have miniguns.
Wait, I
let's go.
forgot I can leave
Okay,
the
Okay,
game.
let's go.
Wait,
Bro, wait,
go.
wait.
Yeah, leave the game.
You go out.
Yeah, leave the game, Joe. Come, bro.
I'm not. I think I'm
You-
good. I'm not.
What
Bro,
the?
big, come.
Did I just put a pistol on a crossbow?
You.
It is.
Bro, big. Come, bro.
Stuck here.
Here, bro, come.
Bro just said F you, and now I'm flying. What the heck?
A little more. Wait, I forgot. I
look like you
now.
Ow!
Bro,
Follow more.
come, bro. Stupid ass.
I'm glitching into something I don't want to.
No, you black.
What? That means it's a glitch. Which one of different
What is
servers?
up?
Hey,
I'm glitching in the wall. Okay, now I'm fine. Yeah, but they'll see my edit minutes. They'll see what I'm doing. They're not gonna
It's the
think I'm
glitch
sick.
because it's supposed to. Wait,
I am glitching into
Dude,
something
he just
I don't
killed
want
me. I can't. I don't have no guns
Yeah,
anymore.
guns.
He killed me.
Add me.
Come, bro. Wait.
I'm Grinch.
I don't want to glitch you.
Hey, bro. Hey,
Wait,
I'm
wait.
running with an
Bing.
arrow in my hand. Is that
take
more
it, bro.
safe
What
than
happened to
in
you?
your mouth?
Bro!
Which one's more dangerous? Running with an arrow in your hand or running with
Don't making me fly.
lolly or whatever it's flipped
Dude, can you
British? In British,
What are you?
a lollipop.
Help me, I'm flying.
In British,
Come
they call it
out.
lollies. Having a popsicle or not a popsicle, a lollipop in your mouth while you're running, or an arrow in your hand.
I'm able to jump
What's
that
that
far.
Ow! I just stabbed myself with an arrow.
But I could jump
Why did
across
I
the
do
whole
that?
map. You forgot about that.
Bro's wasting all this.
Let me try that. Try to get back to me and I'll give you it back. I'm not even fair about it.
Ah, but you trying to kill me.
Bro, you're literally 5, bro. Shut up.
I didn't do nothing,
I'm
dude.
not far.
Dude, where are you going?
Fortnite pass. Fortnite not sag. I pass.
Vecna there.
Let me go away.
Oh. No, I'm Vecna.
Not for kids.
You're not Vecna.
Who's gonna watch this? Who doesn't say that?
Yo,
To be honest.
what's your little bro?
I'm making a video for boys. Basically.
Not back here.
Oh, what's the blue?
My balls.
Can you turn into your normal self, please? Okay, let's go.
Why are there
Yeah,
butt?
you dropped it.
Why do they have butt cheeks that are jiggling? Yeah, if they're gonna watch a video in a game where butt cheeks jiggle around, they're gonna have to hear that because they are.
Ow, I dropped like.
They are weird.
No, not right now. I'm not hungry.
You realize this whole video is just us arguing?
What did you do? Stop.
Hey, bro.
Wait,
I'm.
Can you stop?
Fortnite check
Hey, bro. I got a secret room.
The secret.
I'm probably
Once
gonna
it
get
starts,
Please.
it never stops. It's right here.
Or my video gets. Why is there a dead monkey on the ground? Ew, can I take his body? Oh, ew. I'm jiggling his body around. Who just took his body? Ow, someone's shooting me.
Wait, no, turn this way.
I know it hurt.
Hello.
Pink,
Follow me.
Pink.
I'm probably gonna end this video. This is crazy. I'm going to server 6-7. What? That's just an ordinary number. Yes, it is. Your mom? 'Cause you look like 6'7". I don't have blonde hair. I'm not a blonde like you. I'm not a stupid blonde. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video in a private server I just made. Well, if you liked it, subscribe and like or whatever the flip. And, type in nerd in the comments for this nerd that's talking for some reason.